I dropped my keys off a balcony. My grade followed instantly. 10 meters per second squared, they said, so I did the math and hit my head. I pushed a cart with zero friction until it smacked the lab technician. F equals ma, Newton flex, then I divided wrong and failed the test. I rubbed a balloon, now I'm Zeus. My hair's up like it got some juice. Electrons bailed, thanks for the shock. Static clings now part of my look. Q1, Q2 over R squared tight. Attraction's real, just not my type. Coulomb's law, it's got no chill. I swipe right, the charges still repel. Mass charge and chaos. Tried to ground myself, still got zapped. Voltage drop, brain cells snapped. Lab reports late, but vibes are intact. Amp me up like V equals IR. Current runs, I just sit in my car. Kirchhoff's law got me in loops. Guess I'm a node in group lab goofs. The pendulum swings, my hope declines. I plotted time, but missed the signs. Tried to torque my chair for extra flair. Ended up airborne mid-lab stare. In chaos, try to calculate my stress in pascals. Tay A said it's qualitative, so I cried in units. So creative. Vectors point where I don't know. Dot product, is that a show? I asked what's work with full conviction. The prof said you'll know after this degree of friction. So here's to mass and to charge and stress, to circuits fried and academic mess. I may not pass, but I'll write this song because physics hurts, but it slaps all along.